I'm going to be talking about using numerology and everything, so I need to do a real quick, brief thing on numerology so you people understand. You should actually probably write this down on a piece of paper so you can refer to it later and everything. But this is simple numerology. This is not gematria. I will show you that real quickly and everything. This video, this 10 minutes will be concerning this particular subject, numerology. You must be familiar with it. Some of you are already familiar with it. I claim that some of the words in the dictionary are misspelled. We'll try to prove that to you one of these days. But here, this is simple numerology, the English alphabet. I can do no other numerology except English. The zero has no value. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The only sensible word that we have here, and it's rather simple, is fox, F-O-X. Now, Psalm 63, David tells you where the fox is. And Luke 13:32, Jesus Christ calls King Herod a fox. When you find out that the fox lives in the lower part of the earth, and that when you die and go to the pit, you are a portion for the fox, then you understand that when Jesus Christ said Herod was a fox, he was claiming that he was possessed by a demon from the lower parts of the earth. Now, I will prove to you that Christ in numerology is 32, which is a 5. Now, we all know that the New Testament is about Christ. That's what it's about. Now, N-E-W falls under the 5. That's the 555. The new. 5 is a number of Christ. That's another foundation for numerology. For the Christians who do not understand that the Father created numbers for every letter in every language. Now we realize that Jesus Christ was 33, maybe. 33 and a third years old, maybe. Is there any clues for that? Number 3, C-L-U. Why do you need the E? The clue is the 333. There is the clue. This is the only thing that you will be able to get words out of. Okay? Now, it's kind of funny that when you change this around, L-U-C, you don't need the K, you got luck right there. You don't need the E to say clue, you don't need the K to say luck. Of course, that is the first 3 names of Lucifer, but we have not been able to determine that Lucifer is Satan. We know that there is a Lucifer, that one name has been. I will prove to you that the English language has a foundation of 6. 6 is the biggest number. It means a lot. But I don't think I'm going to go into it that much right at the moment. Let's look at the number system here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The number system, interpreted in numerology. This is a little funny here too. You will realize that there's something to, there's no abstraction here. You will realize that a super intelligence far better than us has invented this language. 1 is equal to 16. 6 is equal to 16. The 1 and the 6 together is 16. Funny that they correspond to each other. Now we have 1, 2, 3. If you actually add in numerology 1, 2, you get 3. That's another idiosyncrasy. And looky here. 4, 5 are the same number. We got 2 16s and now 2 24s. And 4 and 5 equal 9, and it's 24. Funny. I mean, with all the numbers in the world and everything, why do we have 3 24s and 2 16s in 9 scenarios? That's kind of astronomically rare, is it not? Ask a mathematician how rare that would be. That even 2 numbers, a 16 out of 9 numbers, would be the same when there's so many possibilities of other numbers. What's the possibility of 1 and 2 will equal 3? What's the possibility of 4 and 5 equaling 9? Pretty rare. Now here's a funny one too. We have 1, 2, 3 three-lettered numbers. We have 1, 2, 3 5-lettered numbers, and we have 1, 2, 3 4-numbered letters. So it's broken up into thirds, 9, and that's even kind of astronomical. But remember, the 9, the 6, the 5, and the 4, which are 4-lettered words, actually each are equivalent to each other in numerology. And 24 is actually a very strong number in our language. Definitely so. Now there are a couple other idiosyncrasies here and everything. I'm not going to go into it. I just wanted to show you that there is a pattern here. A definite pattern. And who invented this language and the number system was definitely past our mentality. Okay? So now we know a little bit about that. And just for sake, you know, as you see, I didn't get that one right. I had to change it. I couldn't add. That's just for the, you know, the months of the year. It really doesn't mean anything. I just thought I'd show you the numbers there. Except what is a little bit funny, all these in the middle of summer are all low numbers. You know, April was 31. Now that is somewhat interesting. 8 is 31, and you're going to find out in numerology that father equals 31. The 8 is the 2 zeros on top of each other. Somebody's trying to tell me that 888 is the number of Jesus Christ, or it might be and everything. But, you know, 31, father interpreted in numerology is 31. Christ in numerology is 32, Michael in numerology is 33, and Mother in numerology is 34. Very interesting that the Father, the Son, and then Michael the Archangel, and then the Mother are all in sequence, 31, 32, 33, 34. That is somewhat strange even in itself. So there could be some basis for numerology. When I interpret numerology for you guys, you will understand a little bit more that there is some basis. I just wanted to show you here that when you add 1 to 2 and then 2, 3 to that and 4 to that, this is a sequence they go. They go 1, 3, 6, and then you have to reduce these things. It goes 1, 3, 6, 1, 6, 3, 1, 9, 9. And it repeats itself. 1, 3, 6, 1, 6, 3, 1, 9, 9. It repeats itself. 1, 3, 6, 1, 6, 3, 1, 9, 9. It just goes like that to infinity. And when you got 36 out of that way, it comes out to 666. I will get into the calendar on that 36 one of these days.